Halo hai sahabat menjawab, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sudah siap membahas hari ini? Yuk mulai, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sebelum mulai, aku mau ucapin terima kasih bagi kalian yang udah like dan subscribe. Oke, kita buka buku bahasa Inggris kelas 8 halaman 54 dulu ya. Udah? Oke. Nah, kita akan membaca dulu nih, ada word box atau kotak kata. Nah, di sini ada feel. Feel. Feel artinya terjatuh. Ada juga past form atau bentuk lampaunya. Felt. 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 Nah, ada lagi lead. Lead. Past formnya, kemudian past formnya adalah led. Led, memimpin atau posisi terdepan. Ada juga beat. 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 Ada lagi beat, past formnya mengalahkan. Delighted, 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 senang sekali atau puas. Tight, 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 ketat. Steady, 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 tidak goyah atau stabil. Hilarious, 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 sangat lucu atau lucu sekali. Oke, sekarang kita masuk ke teksnya ya. Today, my school held an Independence Day celebration event. Today, my school held an Independent Day celebration event. Hari ini, sekolahku menyelenggarakan perayaan Hari Kemerdekaan. It welcomed students from every grade to participate in many fun games. It welcomed students from every grade to participate in many fun game. Itu terbuka untuk siswa dari kelas berapapun untuk berpartisipasi di permainan yang menyenangkan, gitu ya. Di banyak permainan yang menyenangkan. Such as seperti tug of war, yaitu tarik tambang, kerupuk race, balap kerupuk, sack race, artinya lari balap karung, tandem race, artinya balap tandem, and the marble in spoon race, yaitu pertandingan lari kelereng ya. Many students participated. Banyak siswa yang berpartisipasi, which made all the games so exciting. Which made all the games so excited. Yang membuat semua gamenya itu sangat menyenangkan gitu ya, sangat menarik. In the beginning, awal mulanya, I participated in marbles in spoon race. Aku berpartisipasi pada balap kelereng. It was very tight game between me and Galang. Nah, itu permainan yang sangat ketat ya antara aku dan Galang. I almost beat him at the beginning of the race. I almost beat him at the beginning of the race. Aku hampir saja menyalipnya di awal pertandingan balapan. But he was so fast and steady. But he was fast and steady. Tapi itu dia tuh sangat cepat dan steady. Apa tadi steady? Steady di sini, tidak goyah atau stabil. He could even run with it. He could even run with it. Dia bahkan bisa berlari dengannya itu. Jadi dia tuh balap kelereng tapi juga bisa lari gitu. He came first and I came second. He came first and I came second. Dia di urutan pertama dan aku di urutan kedua. It was hard to beat Galang in the game. It was hard to beat Galang in the game. Itu sangat susah mengalahkan Galang ya pada permainan ini. Nah, lanjut paragraf berikutnya. The next game was a tug of war, sack race and tandem race. The next game berikutnya was a tug of war, adalah tarik tambang, sack race, balap karung, and tandem race, dan balap tandem. All the game were held at the same time. Permainannya itu semuanya itu dilaksanakan pada waktu yang sama. I saw Andre participate in the sack race. Aku melihat Andre berpartisipasi pada balap karung. At the first, he led the race. Pada awal mulanya, dia led tadi apa? Di sini ya led. Memimpin. Nah, pada awal mulanya dia memimpin pertandingan. But suddenly, tapi sayangnya, he fell in the middle of the race. Sayangnya dia terjatuh di tengah-tengah permainan atau pertandingan atau balapan ya. But finally, he came second. Tapi akhirnya dia menjadi juara 2. It was so sad. Itu sangat menyedihkan. That he couldn't finish first. Dia tidak bisa memenangkan. Meanwhile, di lain tempat ya, Pipit participated. Pipit berpartisipasi in a tandem race. Di tandem race with our friend. Dengan teman-teman kami. Her team came third. Her team came third. Timnya itu menang juara 3. It was not too bad. Itu ya nggak buruk ya. The last game was the kerupuk race. Game terakhir adalah balap kerupuk. Lomba makan kerupuk. Once again, I met Galang in the finals. Sekali lagi aku bertemu Galang di final. The fun part was I finished first. And he finished after me. Nah, yang lucu ya, saya atau aku berhasil menyelesaikan pertama. And he finished after me. Dan dia berhasil menyelesaikan setelah aku. Jadi sih, Galang juara 2 ya, berarti. I finished my kerupuk with 3 or 4 bites. Aku menyelesaikan dengan kerupukku dengan 3 atau 4 gigitan. Wah, langsung krauk-krauk kayaknya. It was a joyful day at my school. Ini adalah sesuatu yang menyenangkan di sekolahku. Everyone put a smile on their face. Semua orang terlihat tersenyum di wajahnya. I was delighted. I was delighted. Apa delighted tadi di sini ada? Senang sekali atau puas ya. I was delighted. Aku sangat puas atau senang. At the end of the event, pada akhir acara, my class was announced. Kelasku diumumkan as grand champion of the whole competition. As the grand champion of the whole competition. Sebagai juara umum pada semua pertandingan. Oke, kayak kita baca ulang sama-sama ya. Today, my school held an Independence Day celebration event. It welcomed students from every grade to participate in many fun games, such as tug of war, kerupuk race, sack race, tandem race, and the marble in spoon race. Many students participated, which made all the games so exciting. In the beginning, I participated in the marble in spoon race. It was very tight and a tight game between me and Galang. I almost beat him at the beginning of the race. But he was so fast and steady. He could even run with it. He came first and I came second. It was hard to beat Galang in this game. The next game was a tug of war, sack race, and tandem race. All the games were held at the same time. I saw Andre participated in a race. At first, he led the race, but suddenly he fell into in the middle of the race. But finally, he came second. It was so sad that he couldn't finish first. Meanwhile, Pipit participated in tandem race with our friend. Her team came third. It was not too bad. The last game was the Kerupuk race. Once again, I met Galang in the final. The fun part was I finished first and he finished after me. I finished my kerupuk with 3 or 4 bites. It was a joyful day at my school. Everyone put a smile on their face. I was delighted. At the end of the event, my class was announced as the grand champion of the whole competition. Oke, itu dia pembahasan mengenai teks terkait perayaan kemerdekaan. Kalau kalian ada pertanyaan bisa tinggalkan di kolom komentar ya. Jangan lupa di like dan subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.